Hi.
So, Ken, I want to know if nag-ayos ka ng gamit mo for 2025. Okay, let me see your bag.
I didn't.
Please let me know what is
the
the...
vlog today.
Please let me know what is your bag. What's the brand? How
yeah,
much?
my
Anong
bag
laman? What's the brand? How much?
My
Anong
bag
laman?
is Herschel. My bag is Herschel. It was a gift from my ex.
Name that X.
So, charis. Ang dami mong alam, friend.
Dali,
Pero,
patingin.
what's in my bag?
Yeah. Oh, sige. So,
Oh, yung ID lanyards ko. Dito sa back. Usually kasi nilalagay ko dito sa may side pockets ko. Yung mga mabilis amlutin.
Yeah.
And I use on a daily. So I have my perfume here and then comb. And then my AirPods. Tapos on the other side, I have my umbrella and then what do you call this? Shoe wipes. Yan.
may ganun.
Yeah, because, you know, baka matapak-tapakan niya. Tapos dito, ano pang nakalagay dito? I actually have 3 AirPods. So, merong ito, tas merong ito, tapos meron ulit ito. So, wala. I have 3 para pag nalobat yung isa, meron akong backup. Kasi, music is life.
Okay.
Yeah. Tapos, ito yung marker ko, whiteboard. Tapos, as a tito, myself, I have this.
Okay.
And then, eye drops when I need lubrication. Lubrication! Lubrication! Sa mata kasi, sa mata.
Please.
Tapos, hindi, pero yung kasi talaga yon yung prescription ng
Pakibilis.
doktor. Tapos, dito sa loob, I have my laptop charger. Then, my wallet. Ano pa ba? Yung lagay ng salamin ko, luma at bago. Tapos, facial wash. Tapos, hygiene kit. Chururo.
Buksan mo yung hygiene
Hindi
kit.
pwede kasi may something incriminating doon.
Ay, wow.
Tapos, ito, pomade. And then, yung damit na hinubad ko kanina kasi papalit ako ng damit pag dating ng office. As someone pawis din. That's it.
Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Ay, wallet. Patingin ng wallet.
Yung,
Wallet. Ayaw pakita.
di ba
yun.
bag grade?
Oh, pati
Naging
wallet.
wallet.
Oh, okay. Dali.
Wallet.
Anong
I
tatak
have
ng...
wala siyang tatak actually. Nabili ko lang siya sa dep store.
Okay.
Pero, nasa loob yung picture ko nung senior high school when I
Patingin.
graduated. Hindi pwede kasi wala akong balbas dito. This was from a millennium ago. A millennium ago. 1,000 years ago. Boy, na pala. So, I have my cards. Tapos, mga IDs.
Ay, huwag mo ipakita.
Ay, hindi para pwede ipakita yan. So, TIN, PhilHealth, basta government IDs, beep card, yan. Kasi, you know, I always go the metro
Oh.
from time to time to meet someone. Meet someone?
Magkano ang pera? Magkano ang cash?
Okay. Ha?
Kano ang
Tapos cash ko, 1,000 lang.
Wala.
So, wala na akong pera. So,
Ano ba yan? Walang happening sa bag?
yeah, walang happening sa bag. Tapos, ito yung Quantrix card before.
Meron pa rin ako niya.
Meron ka pa rin ito. Ito yung sa Maya, yung niloloadan. Never ko to nagamit. Pero nakakuha ko ng incentives from Maya, sa Maya.
Dapat i-check natin yun.
Tapos Watson's card, yung IntelliCare card ko, SM Advantage, tapos yung
S3.
Starbucks Kineso. Wala, expired na to. Hindi ko lang siya natapon. Yan lang.
Yun lang.
Yeah, that's it.
Patingin yung hygiene kit.
Hindi pwede, friend.
Patingin.
Hindi.
Ano ba
Hindi
yan?
pwede.
Ay. Ano yung tatak ng bag? How much? Ano naman?
Hindi ko alam. The brand is Tomtok. This was given by my wife as a Christmas present.
Ay, oh. Malamang
So hindi ko alam kung magkano to kasi regalo to ng aking asawa. Mas wala.
Go.
Dito, wala mo nakalagay. Lagyan to ng laptop.
Okay.
And then, salamin, pouch,
Pouch for...
my headset and the training stuff.
Okay.
Mouse, ano pa ba nakalagay dito? Mga adapter ko and all.
Okay.
Another pouch. Ang dami kong pouch.
Anong pouch yan?
Personal stuff. Charger ng phone. Extra na USB Type-C plug. Batteries ng vape. And all.
Okay.
Wala masyadong laman ng aking bag. Susi.
Okay.
Bahay.
Ng mansion. Wallet. Pakibukas ng wallet.
Bakit kasama?
Kailangan.
Wala man laman ng wallet ko. Lisensya,
Oh.
cards.
Wala bang membership dyan?
Wala. Cash ko 100 pesos lang.
Ay, lang. Ako nga 20.
Tapos coins.
Coin.
May lucky coins lang.
Okay. Ano pa? Ano pa naman? Ano pa naman yan pa?
And, ahead kong pugot.
Ano yan? Family picture?
Yeah, wedding picture lang yan.
Ay, okay.
So, mahirapan naman akong ibalik to.
Grabe, ang ganda naman ng watch ng ating binabag rate. Grabe naman sa watch yan. Okay, so
Tapos,
front pockets.
dito, galing kay Cha.
Okay.
Thank you so much for the gift. Headset. Minsan
Okay.
pag-trip ko lang. Pero I rarely listen to
Music.
kapag nasa work. Coins.
Okay.
Pabayad ng parking. Dito wala. Wala talaga nakalagay.
Walang nakalagay. Okay. Sa harap, parang yan. Ano yan? Naman yan.
Ito, another pouch.
Parang,
Ano ba yan?
naman laman yan. Mga toiletries? No.
Inhaler.
Okay.
Sunstick by Camu.
What's that?
Mattifying sunstick.
Ay, ang
Sunscreen.
taray. Oh, may sunscreen si Pat. Sorry.
Kahit panggabi.
Tapos, may pabango din. May pabango ka, right? What's your pabango?
Joe Malone.
Ay, ang taray.
Wood Sage and Sea Salt.
Ay, mabango yan.
Cologne. And para sa aking buhok.
Ay.
The Maverick Pacific Sea Salt.
Ay, oh, diba? Sorry.
Ayun
Wala
lang,
na.
wala
Yun
nakalagay.
lang.
Yes. Wala ko siya.
Okay, thank you, Pat. This is Dia. Dia, let's do a bag rate. Inayos mo ba yung bag mo for 2025?
Hindi. Hindi
Okay, tingnan natin.
Ay, anong passion?
Anong bag yan?
Ako, Kose.
Okay. 800. Wow.
3-in-1. What's inside my bag?
Yeah.
Let's start from the pocket na lang.
Okay.
Candy.
Candies. Okay.
Candy. Coffee.
Ay, taray. Maxim. Oh. Magkano isa niyan?
Ano, sa Korean Mart 15.
15 lang ba yan?
Sa Korean Mart, 15
Ah,
lang
okay.
malapit sa amin.
Parang nabibili ko ng ganyan,
Sa
35.
gilid ano lang to,
Ano
payong
yan?
and
AirPods.
Yeah.
Okay.
sa front, wala sa unang zipper. Alam mo
Okay.
naman yan. Ito yung walking pharmacy, guys.
Ay, may biogesic ka ba?
Hindi nasa... Meron akong ointment,
Okay.
liniment, guys, kung kailangan nyo sa masakit na likod.
Oh my God.
Merong hand wash,
Okay.
sore throat, throat spray,
Okay.
Caminosan, sunscreen.
May sunscreen din. Sorry, may sunscreen din.
Uy, sabi kasi kahit daw light na ganyan, may...
Kailangan. Ay, okay. Sige, bibili na din ako.
Magagamit ko sa pag-morning tip.
Oo, ako kahit gabi.
Meron kasing kinikilig.
Okay.
Toothbrush, toothpaste,
Tang,
Thompson.
okay.
Wala na dito. Ano pa ba?
Wala na.
Vicks.
Vicks, ayan. Okay.
Shampoo. Bakit may shampoo dito?
Ay, bakit ka may shampoo? Ay, may ganun din
Putrutin.
siya. Okay.
Then,
Hindi pala uso ang kagat-kagat. No,
Ay,
meron kang...
hindi kaya. Hindi natin kaya. Wet wipes.
Wet wipes. Ano yun?
Lagay ng ng charger ng laptop.
Okay.
Wet wipes. Merong medicine kit.
Ayan.
Tapos lahat ng uri ng Band-Aid meron tayo.
Okay, good job. Alam nyo na, may Band-Aid si si Dia.
Pasugat na kayo guys. Vitamins.
Okay. Anong vitamins mo?
Immunoplo.
Okay.
Sukla. Yung kit nito sa TikTok shop.
Uy, alam mo ba, ganyan yung pinamimigay sa Emirates Airlines. Yeah.
Nakita ko lang. Parang 40 pesos lang siya. Doctor sensitive ulit.
Ang dami mong no?
Syempre,
Hoy.
ang sensitive.
May ka ba? May skincare routine ka ba?
Ano lang, sunscreen lang.
Okay.
Sunscreen at saka face cleanser.
Ano pa yan, girl?
Ito yung face cleanser.
Ay, oh. May face cleanser din, Pat. Okay.
Meron din sa pad. Ito, lip gloss.
Ayan, taray. San?
Says.
Sis. Okay.
Tapos, syempre, we cannot live without kilay.
Ay, ako kaya.
Kaya,
Oh.
hindi kaya. Ibang personality.
Parang hindi ikaw.
Pimple patch.
Ay, meron. Okay, may pimple patch si Dia. Pag kailangan. Okay.
Cute.
Pag may kailangan, alam na kung sino.
Kasi pinipimple siya. Wallet. Wala na, wallet.
Okay, pakibukas ng wallet. Anong
Ang laman ng
nakalagay?
wallet ay betchinko.
Wala ka yan. Saan yung mga cards mo? Meron kang
Dala ko ba?
Hindi mo talaga. Eto.
Ayan.
Okay.
Pag kung sa baba, ito yung sa wallet.
Okay.
And-
Ano mga laman? May membership ba tayo?
Ganun siya.
SNR?
Gift
Landers?
card,
Oh, may beat card.
7-Eleven card.
Okay.
SM Advantage.
Uy, wag pa
saka
kita yung
WhatsApp,
mga ha. Okay.
Carry. Tapos
Okay.
ano na?
Okay. Bank cards na. Magkano ang pera?
300 guys.
Okay, 300.
Uy, nandito pa yung 50 ko ng 2024, hindi naman effective.
Akin na.
Sabi ko lagi daw sa cellphone.
Okay, ano pa laman, be? Wala na, yun na.
License, PRC.
Na?
Teacher. Baka LPT lang ng mo, husband mo.
Oo, be. Dalawa na ang lisensya niya. LPT ka din pala.
Kakarinyo ko lang yan.
Ay,
Saka sa
wow.
wallet meron ulit Band-Aids.
Ay, bakit lagi kang sinusugat?
Hindi, mahilig lang sa Band-Aid.
Okay.
Pag
Ano pa?
magregalo ko kayo Band-Aids.
Ano pang laman?
Saan na to? Cologne, dalawa. Isa nung fruity flavor. Wow, scent pala. Tapos,
Okay.
din. So, meron akong disposable raincoat.
Okay.
Nung nagsa-sunmat kasi ako.
For pag nag-motor?
Tapos, wala na dito.
Huli na?
Mask.
Mask, okay.
Yan lang po. Ay, wait lang. I-reveal na natin. Kakabili ko lang nito. You can
Ay,
get
bag organizer!
Bag organizer.
Oh, bongga. Sorry kayo. Ito masarap i-bag raid.
ang dami laman. Yan lang po.
Alright, thanks, Tia! So this is Jojo. Oh, your bag? Uy, bago yan Bago yung bag mo.
Same bag na hinalungkat mo before.
No, it's not. No, it's not. I have the same one as yours. Yung HP bag. No, it's not. No, it's not.
It's the same.
No, it's not. That's better.
Baka nandito pa yung mga gamit na pinaghalang.
Dali mo bisam na.
Oh.
Okay.
Ano ba to?
Face mask.
Oh, susi.
Susi, okay. Ay,
Oh, pouch.
what's in the pouch, please? What's your pouch for?
Yung purse. For, easy makeup. So, lang, powder, BB powder.
Pakita mo. Ikalat mo.
BB powder.
Okay.
Powder foundation daw. May SPF din daw siya. Hindi natin sure. Hindi naman effective. And then, my favorite lippies. Ito yung Everyday Lippy ko. Lip tint and O2O.
Ay, nag-O2O ka na din.
And 17.
Okay.
And then, ang favorite, ang same lippy namin ni Ate Aina is yung O2O M19. I don't know. I'm not sure.
So today lang na-plot yung...
And then, my favorite lippy, Revlon. Ay, L'Oreal pala to. L'Oreal Paris in the shade Le Nude Defiant.
Magkano yan? Mahal yan, di ba?
Siguro.
Bigay ni Boyfie. Okay, fine.
So, and it smells so good. Matcha, but it's not drying.
Okay.
That's why I love it so much. And then here again is my alcohol.
Okay.
And then in this pouch, I cannot show it to you, but this is where my girly necessities are.
Pinakita mo pala. Okay, next pocket.
This pocket, wala masyado. Dito pala yung vitamins ko.
Anong vitamins mo?
Conzace.
Okay.
Kasi
Uy,
nagiging sakitin ako lately.
ano yan, di ba? Pang-anemic.
Anemic?
Ano, yung payatot.
Talaga?
Mm-mm.
I'm not payatot though.
Sige
Kasi
na.
ang
Sige
nirecommend sa akin
na.
ng doktor,
Okay.
ang recommended niya is vitamin ACE. Actually, ang recommend niya is the ibang
brand.
brand. Kaya lang hindi ko siya mahanap on common stores. So I bought Conzace instead. Basta merong vitamin ACE.
C. Okay.
And this one hits it. That's why I have it. What's this? For dual monitor. Second
Okay.
monitor thingy. Ball pens.
Okay. Hindi ko na nagamit yung mic, pero ay, naririnig naman.
Then you have relax scent from
Ano yan?
Katingko
Okay.
and the scent of lavender. Not really that used. Pero sige, gamitin natin. You wanna smell?
Hindi na, okay na. Paano yan? Pang ano din? Pang...
But it's just aromatherapy.
Okay.
Not really not
Hindi siya hurt.
menthol,
Oh, yeah, oo.
or what. Oh, ito pala meron akong sign pen. Social.
Turoy.
Kaya ako social na eh. Tapos, yun lang. Wala nang iba.
Dun sa big, sa main pocket.
So, main pocket. This is where I put my love stuff. Oh,
Love
and I
stuff.
have a book.
Oh.
Animal Farm. I'm at chapter 6.
Uy, you know what? I would recommend a book. Parang Fourth Wing.
Fourth Wing.
Yeah, have you read it?
I haven't, pero nakikita
Sabi
ko
maganda
nga.
daw.
Maganda nga daw.
Yeah. Parang na-excite na ako dun sa movie.
Ay, ako tar din, Ate El.
Dragons din.
Book girly ka din nga pala.
Yeah.
Fantasy.
Parang kaso wala na akong time kasi naiinis ako, hindi ko maayos yung bedroom ko to put like a bookshelf. Kaya hindi ako bumibili. Pero Fourth Wing parang na-interest na ako.
Oo,
Okay.
ako din actually. Kasi drama.
Next.
Itong may
Ang
badge
cute niyan, ha?
yung bag ko. This is
Sino yan?
si Levi to of Attack on Titans.
Hindi ko alam yan.
Captain Levi. Kasi si Captain Levi.
Kala ko jowa mo. Nagpagawa ng ganyan.
Dito sa main bag, meron din
Ang cute naman yan.
This is for your salamin. Salamin.
Okay.
Kasi naiya na ako manghiram ng pangmunas ng salamin.
Okay.
Dinala ko na yung akin.
Ang ganda ha. I love the casing.
Thank you,
It's giving social.
And then, Favango na may buhok.
Yan ba yung gusto ko?
I don't know.
Hindi, yung blue yun. Nasaan na yun? Hindi ito yun. May gusto kong pabango mo. Yung blue. What's that? What else?
I have more lippies pala dito.
Ba yan? Ang daming lipstick. Ay, oh. Haanin mo. Girl, talaga. Pero alam mo, I understand.
Kasi I was contemplating what shade to always wear. So ito ay L'Oreal pa din. Color Riche. Matte liquid. Matte but not super stay. Ito kasing dalawa, super stay. Itong dalawang matte ko na to. So they're different colors, different shades. Yeah. This is more bold. This one's nude.
Mm-mm.
This is more pinkish, this is dark red. And then, same then, but this one's
I love
Maybelline.
the casing. Ano yan?
This is Maybelline.
Ay, ang cute.
Maybe it's Maybelline. And this is Vinyl Ink, which is what I'm wearing. This one's what I'm wearing right now. Para siyang nude, brownish.
Okay.
Gives you that
Natural lang be.
natural and glossy finish.
Yeah.
Both of them. But you have to shake them down before you use it.
Before using.
Yun lang.
Yun lang naman. Okay, thanks, Jojo.
Dirty.
This is my manager, Miss Tala.
Looks like a garbage.
Gentlewoman
Yeah.
naman ang bag. How much?
It's, I think, 2,000.
Ay,
But it doesn't look like it.
may dali na
What's
ni.
inside my bag?
Yes.
My Android phone. It's my extra phone.
Ay, ang taray.
Yeah, but
Okay.
my daughter usually uses my phone.
Okay.
Ano pa ba? Oh my God. Pressure.
Tapos,
Wallet.
okay. Ano po naman ang wallet?
Wala-
MK.
MK.
Taray.
Pero wala siyang laman. Uy, wala akong pera. Wala akong pera.
Wala ba ito lang pera? Ano po mga cards natin
Ano
ba?
yan? Starbucks card. Ano pa ba? Debit card. Debit card. Ano ba debit card?
Huwag niyo pa ita.
Okay, sige.
Mga
ID.
membership cards
Oo.
only. Bawal din.
H&O. Okay. Yun. So, walang laman, walang pera.
Okay.
May nagbabag grade dito.
Ano pa po?
ba? Ano pa naman ang bag ko? Makeup kit.
Ayan,
Cake.
taray.
Kailangan ko bang i-open?
Yes, pakita ang mga laman at saka mga brand.
Brand. Ito, face
Happy New
powder.
Year!
Maybelline. Face powder. Foundation. Bare and Bliss.
Okay.
Ano pa ba? Yun din. Mousse tint. Bare
Ay,
and Bliss
oo.
din. Ano ba? Ano shade to? 06.
Taray.
Tapos, ito mura lang to, Pink Flash Mascara.
Okay.
Tapos, syempre, concealer for my acne marks. Very important to. And, lip tint, Nichido.
Ay, ang taray. Nichido pala ang banggit doon.
Ano ba dapat?
Akala ko Nikido.
Nichido.
Uy, mga it brings college siya. Yung mga college days natin yun. Mga ganyan.
Another foundation. Adik ako sa foundation eh. Kapag yung feeling ko hindi siya hiyang sa akin, na nag-breakout ako agad. So, Maybelline naman.
Maybelline.
So, ito yung pinakahiyang sa akin.
Okay. Anong shade yan?
Ano
Oriental?
shade to? Number 3.
Ay,
Hindi
3.
ko sure kung ano yung number 3.
Okay.
Pero, yan. What else? So, syempre, pang kilay, hindi mawawala. Ano
ba?
tong brand nito? Bare, ay, hindi. Ano to? Parang Bare and Bliss din yata.
Okay. Ano bang Bare and Bliss pa? Sa ano ba yan?
Korean.
Korean.
So, yan, paubos na siya. Until
Oh, bibili ulit.
kailangan kasi ng kilay. Kasi pag wala, mukha tayong pusa. Hindi ba yung mga pusa, walang kilay. So, yan, ang aking makeup kit.
Okay.
What else is inside? Ito, ano ba to? Lagay ng anik-anik. Lagay ng charger.
Ang ganda.
Ito,
Very kikay naman.
Itong mouse, tsaka itong headset.
Ay,
Tapos
very
I have
kikay
another coin
ah.
purse. To gift to sa akin, itong Christmas lang. K-Cross na coin
Ay,
purse.
grabe.
Hindi ko alam. So, ang laman yan, coins. So, yan lang ang pera ko. Coins lang. Wala tayong cash. Ayan lang. Ito, mga kalat. May mga kalat. Galing kay ay na keychain. Another keychain, susi sa bahay. Yan, mousepad.
Ang cute naman ng mousepad. Hello,
Hello,
Kitty.
Ayan siya.
Ang cute.
Ginagamit ko siya pag naka-work from home. Pero pag nandito sa office, Quantrex.
Siyempre, Quantrex, yes.
Ayun, ang naman ng aking bag. Wala masyado akong gamit. Hindi ako masyadong mahilig. Hindi ako
Okay.
mahilig magdala ng mga anik-anik talaga.
Thank you, Miss Tala.
You're welcome.
For my vlog.
Oh my,
Hi, Miss Carla.
lipstick. So noisy.
Bilis. What is your bag and how much?
What? Ay, dapat sinabi mo magbabagay ka. Saan din lang ako yung mamahali kong bag. Hindi, ito. This one I got this from. Ay, wait lang, may shop pa. From Lazada.
Okay. How much?
Parang 1-2 lang naman.
Ang mamahal ng mga bag nyo.
Kasi laptop bag talaga siya. It's like really, ayan, nabawala na siya. Ayan,
Anong laman?
laman. Siyempre, may laptop, which I super...
May class ka?
Wala.
Okay.
May laptop and then may wallet.
Oy, bubuksan natin yung wallet mo mamaya.
Walang laman yan ngayon. So,
Hindi, buksan natin pa rin.
Bakit?
Ganun talaga ang bag grade ba?
Bag grade usapan, hindi wallet rin.
Pati yun.
And then this is my makeup kit.
Hoy, buksan mo yung makeup kit. Anong laman? Anong brand?
This is my loose powder from Maybelline. This is my lipstick, my super favorite lipstick now, which is also from Maybelline. And then this is my, paubos na siya kasi super favorite ko to. Inaabuso ko to. Cheek tint siya from
From?
The Face Shop.
Ay, bibili ka na ulit.
Oo. No, I
Okay.
actually have one more at home.
Okay.
And then,
Di pa expired?
no.
Ay, okay. Madaming may ganyan, best. Don't worry.
I have this for my hair.
Okay,
And then
Vitres.
this is for the powder thing.
Okay.
And then this is for my psoriasis.
Okay.
Ayan. Ayun lang siya. Ano ba? Ang gulo na to.
Yung wallet, pakibuksan.
No, you can't. You can't.
Buksan!
No.
Lahat sila binuksan yung wallet,
Not
dear.
me.
Ano
I have a
pa?
wallet and then I have a coin purse.
Okay.
Yun lang naman.
Ano pa? Wala na?
My
Eyeglasses.
eyeglasses.
Okay.
And then my cologne.
Anong cologne?
This is Gingham Bath and Body.
Okay.
And then, wipes.
Wet wipes.
Oo.
Mga packets. Ano mga laman ng mga packets?
Pockets. Wala talaga. Oh, see. This one. Just my
Keys.
keys.
Ang cute ah.
Yeah, I know. I love this sobra. Yeah, this is my teddy bear.
Okay.
Yun lang. Tapos,
Wala na. Dalawang comb.
kasi, I don't comb my hair, so, pag naalala ko lang. Binabato ko na lang siya.
Wala na, yun lang.
Wala.
Oh
Hindi
my
ako
gosh.
makikay na girl.
Thank you, Miss Carla. So this is my supervisor, Miss Diane. So we're gonna do a bag grade. So what's your bag? What's inside your bag? And how much?
This is a freebie po from Ponchix.
Ano?
This is my everyday bag.
Yeah, okay.
Medyo may personality lang siya kasi may pang.
Yeah. Ah, nakakatawa.
Kailangan niya, no? Medyo may paano siya dyan. Correct.
Ay.
Okay, ang daming bulsa nito, El. Pero
Go
sige,
lang po.
Baka may basura pa to.
Okay, net.
Wallet.
Oh, anong laman ng wallet?
Ayun ako. Siyempre may pera yan.
Magkano ang
Cards.
pera?
250.
Tapos ang mga cards, membership cards ba yan?
Oo, IntelliCare, credit card, debit card, PWD ID.
May PWD ID ka? For
ano,
what?
I have visual disability.
Ah, okay.
Pinakita ko
Miss,
talaga.
Miss Diane, paano magkakuha niyan? Kasi mamaya tanungin ko. Okay,
Sige,
next.
Tapos, yun lang naman yung harap.
Next pocket.
Next pocket. Medyo marami to, friend. Ano
Go
masasabi ko
lang.
sa'yo? Ayan, medyo may pa-planner tayo.
Oh, yung cute. May laman ba
May
yan?
laman yan.
Ah,
Dito na nalagay ang
okay.
run.
Love.
Training.
Mahilig
plan
pala sa ano.
for
Bibigyan kita ng
running.
ano, Miss Diane,
Oo,
ng mga
Kaya
stickers.
dito pa yung mga bigay mo na sa akin before nagagamit.
Oh, tingnan mo. Gamitin mo na yan.
Oo naman. Ano pa ba? Mask.
Okay.
Pamaypay.
Patingin ang cute.
May pamaypay ako. Oo, diba?
Ay, oh, diba?
Flower.
Upo ka, Max.
Ano pa?
Ano pa naman?
Ito.
Ano yan?
Energy gel, pang takbo.
Okay.
Kapag more than 45 minutes to 1 hour ka nang tumatakbo, kailangan mo yan.
Ah, okay. Ay, kinakain?
Oo, ano siya? Para siyang
Energy drink?
honey, oo. Gel siya.
Ah, okay.
Honey and potassium and sodium.
Oh, so we all know that you're a runner. Okay.
Runner siya. Oo. Yung tapos, ito, galing to kay Sarah Candle.
Ay, ang ganda.
Pa,
Oh, diba?
bottle opener.
Bilang manginginom tayo. Sure.
Hindi tayo ma'am. Tsaka, ito bigay ni Jason. Mga highlighter
Ay, oh,
sa
diba?
books. Talaga nilabas ko lahat.
Go lang po.
Oo, ayan, next pocket tayo.
Okay.
Sa
Ang
dami
cute.
natin. Oo, meron tayong pa-shades. Siya.
Ay, oh.
Nag-shades na siya.
Fuck.
Tapos, tissue,
Tissue.
shorts, pang-gym. Payong.
Payong.
Very country
Yes.
style talaga. Yun lang siya. Medicine.
Medicine.
Ayan. Ano pa ba? Small pocket. Diyos ko, naubos na yung laman ng pens, highlighter. Earbuds.
Earbuds.
And may pabango. Ang dami kong gamit. Jo Malone.
Anong ano, scent?
Honeysuckle and
Ay,
Damanas.
oh. Honeysuckle.
Honeysuckle. Yun lang.
Yun
Naman.
lang.
Ito wala na ano na to eh.
But normally
Again,
sa laptop yan, di ba? Yung
yes,
last-
normally
Sa
laptop.
sides.
Clamp.
Okay.
And I have
Pepper spray?
pepper spray.
Ah,
Oo,
okay.
alam mo naman.
Okay.
It's difficult being a woman these days.
These days, true.
Diba?
I feel you,
lang
you know.
po.
Thank you, Miss Diane.
Thank you.
So, this is Chris, our training coordinator. Ganda, di ba? So, pretty naman itong si Miss Chris. Okay. Okay. Bag is from?
From Tiger.
Magkano? Hindi. Diba talaga ang rich na person? Okay.
Sa online lang po. So,
Ah, okay.
OnePlus.
Okay.
And this is my makeup.
Okay,
Powder.
ilabas ang mga gamit sa makeup. Okay.
Face powder.
Okay. Napaka
Very
high school.
If you don't have any question, we can choose another from our randomizer.
Ano pa? Labas mo lahat.
Let's
Liquid foundation.
Okay.
the next person.
My favorite lipstick from Everbelena.
Thomas.
And
How about you, Thomas?
shade of
Part
Paradise
of our
Nude.
Okay.
And another lipstick from Everbelena.
Grabe, ang daming lipstick ah. Para kang si Jojo.
And hindi pwede pang mawawala sa akin yung lip balm
Okay.
from Vaseline.
Yung baka merong mag-ano eh.
Hindi man, nag-dry kasi yung lips ko. And blush on from Careline.
Careline, yes. Giving high school talaga, friend, ha?
Yan ko talaga, bata pa. And eyebrow pencil from
From?
Everbelena again.
Okay.
Diba? Everbelena
Yeah.
naman.
Ako din, girl. Everbelena din ako.
And as a tita, di ko mawawala inhaler.
True. True.
Recent fave ko na perfume
Ano yan?
from Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Vanilla.
Okay.
And dahil ayoko na mabahong hair,
Sa hair.
hair pressure for business.
Vitres, yeah.
Dami naman. And my eyelashes from Maybelline.
Maybelline, yeah, I know.
And last, yung wala talaga to, perfume from Lancome.
Ay, oh, yaman.
Ayun lang, tapos, ano pa dito?
Ano pa?
Ito wala lang to, mga cords to. charger.
Cords, okay.
And, fun, pag mainit.
Ay, ang taray, oh. Ano pa?
Ano to, eyeglass pouch.
Okay. Anong tatak yan, friend? Parang nakita ko din si sino may ganyan.
Vision Express.
Okay.
Ito, gift from L, mini calendar. Thank you so much, L.
Oh, bilang lagi ka naman nag-work from home.
And yun lang, wallet.
Okay, pakitingin ng wallet. Magkano ang pera? May patingin. Merong ano dyan, no?
Puro cards po.
Patingin. Huwag mo ipapakita yung ano, yung information. Picture. Magkano ang pera? Patingin.
Picture ko nung ano ko.
Yan.
College.
Ano yung kabila, friend?
Ito, my mom.
Okay. And then, pera. Magkano ang pera, friend?
Ay, wala tayong cash.
Ay, ang yaman.
Kasi puro utang. Puro credit.
Ano pa, apart from wallet? Membership cards wala, friend? Parang wala kayo. Lahat ng na bag ride ko wala. SNR, Landers,
Ay,
wali.
hindi kasi ako nag-shop.
Okay.
Ace.
Ace. Okay. Bilang pag-girl ang ating outfit today. Ace ang naipakita.
As nagko-company pa ng bahay.
Okay. Oo
Load
nga
ng
pala.
HR.
Right. Yeah.
Ayun lang.
Ano pa? Ano pang laman ng bag natin?
Actually, yun lang.
Wala nang iba. So, coin purse and yung laptop naman laging nandyan. Okay. Alright. Thank you so much, Miss Chris. Okay. Hi, Miss Madel, one of our supervisors from Quantrix. Engaged. Not available. Uy, okay, bag grade po, Miss Madel. What is your bag? What's in your bag and how much? Uy,
Naku, ang daming laman ng bag niyan.
go po. First pocket.
First pocket is my...
Magkano po ang laman ng wallet? May membership, Landers, SNR.
Wala sa akin.
Ay!
With my fiance.
Oh!
Magkano ba? Hindi ko alam, pero may na lang siya. Hindi ko
Magkano po ang pera nyo? Alam nyo, kayo po ang pinakamadaming perang na bag grade ko.
Grabe. Nakakaano naman yun sa mga bagay.
Para may sinasabi ka.
Ay, wala po.
Porket 250 lang yung pera natin.
Sa akin niya, coins lang.
Tinan mo, post mo kami for monetization.
Puro coins.
Oy, ano, okay, car. Ano po ang car nyo? Ano pong plate number?
Parang kinakabahan ako dito. Pagkatapos nito,
Next.
This is my emergency kit.
Okay, pakibukas po ng emergency kit. Wala naman pong ano dyan, no?
For girls. For emergency purposes.
Okay.
White flower. Inhaler.
May inhaler din.
Yeah.
Next. Uy, gusto ko yung pouch.
Tote bag.
Bakit? Para saan po ang tote
For
bag?
emergency purposes. Paranoid. Ayan. So, for emergency purposes, I have a...
Okay po. Ano pa po?
Next. For emergency purposes.
Ay, may ganun ka
I have a
din.
lint roller.
Hindi pa gamit, madam.
Yes. Ano pa ba? Next, I have a shirt. Just in case.
For emergency purposes din po.
Just in
Okay.
case ng gym.
Okay.
Kasi dito yung aking gym body.
Okay. Ano pa po?
Wet wipes.
Ay, bongga.
Ano pa? Electric fan.
May electric fan din.
What else? Candy.
Candy, ay.
And makeup kit.
Okay, pakibukas po ang makeup kit.
Kalat na.
Nagkalat na.
This is Sonny's Face.
Ay, grabe.
Ito favorite ko siya na lip gloss. Everbelena.
Okay.
Everbelena blush on.
Alright.
I recommend. It's very cheap and very
Pares po kayo ni Miss
long
Chris.
lasting. Everbelena.
Ay, ang daming Everbelen. Everbelen na girl ka din pala.
Ano to? Get ready with me.
Ay, oh.
Get ready with your Alam mo yung meaning ng ano niya? Ayan na lip gloss. Ganon din, get ready with me. Hindi ko alam ba't emergency purposes din. Pero minsan kasi parang may mga sudden lakad. Tapos
Okay.
parang gusto mo
Ganda-ganda.
Yes.
Oh, di ba?
Toothpaste, toothbrush.
Okay.
Ano pa ba? Powder.
Ano pong tatak?
Maybelline Fit
Ah,
Me.
okay.
Ganda nito. Gamit ko siya for a long time. Talagang wala na akong ibang ginamit na powder. Tapos ito, lip tint from Vice Cosmetics.
Ay, may Vice
Yes.
Cosmetics.
Ano pa? Nakita lang. Ano pa ba? Siyempre yung brushes ko for the powder. Tapos, eyelash curler.
Yan.
Polish.
Okay.
Yan lang po.
Alright. Thank you so much, Miss Madel.
Hello, good morning. So magbabag grade si Trainer L sa aking bag. Wondering what's inside my bag. So let's see, what do we have? So first, sa first zipper that we have, the biggest one. So I have laptop sleeve. So wala siya kasi ito yung laptop ko, of course. Sa laptop sleeve, meron.
Ay, may
Yes.
pera.
Kasi ayoko siyang gastusin, diba? Ang ganda-ganda niya. Ayoko siyang gastusin. Pwede ba yun? Magagastos natin yan. Emergency funds. Charot. Tapos ito, I always have this on my bag. One of my trainees in Naga gave this to me from their graduation. So, really special. First time that I had something coming from my trainee, I think. Kaya I really treasure it. And I always have it. I always bring it along. Second zipper that we have, ang daming compartment ito. So, this is just a bag. Lalagyan siya ng mga mouse as well as the other things that I have for the laptop. So, medyo cringe yung itsura niya. So, yung mga panluma, mga pang lola bag natin, guys. Of course, I have my brush. Biggest brush. And, I have a small pouch. This is the one that I always carry along. Kasi, this pouch has my coin purse. Very small. So, coins lang talaga yung laman niya, guys. Aside from tokens. Dahil ang aking son ay mahilig mag-arcade. I have my ATMs with me. I have cards, so health cards, IDs, driver's license, and yeah, I think that's all. I also have another wallet separated for card steal. Walang katapusang card. I have my credit cards here as well as my debit cards and other IDs. So I always bring IDs with me. Diba? Importante yan. You should always have. And of course, meron pa din tayong kaperahan dito, guys.
Yaman today ni Shirley.
Hindi po. Nataon lang, guys. Nataon lang. Nataon lang. And resibo. Proof of purchase. As they say, this will serve as your, what do they call this? So, yun daw yung magsaserve na, pwede mo siyang
Warranty.
yeah,
na.
warranty as per replacement of any item that you will purchase. Pero may pinurchase ako 28 pesos. I don't know what this is. My gosh, may receipt to siya. Pero that's 28 pesos. I think this is a coffee maker. The other one that I had. And then, the TV that we purchased in SM last December. Aside from that, I have my payong always, rain and shine. I have it as always. I have my Kikay kit, which is not so Kikay kit kasi I really don't use much of this. I have my lipstick. So it's detail coming from my pamangkin as well as EB coming from my pamangkin. So I'm not that Kikay. They are the one who's giving me this stuff, guys. Hindi ako. As well as this one, also from my pamangkin, Maybelline. And of course, I have as well my controversial set of straws.
Oh, diba? Ano mo yan, sis?
True. So, surprise sila. Dapat ang dami kong straw. Kasi I don't like the paper straws. As
Okay.
well as yung straw na edible, no. It's a no-no for me. So, I always just have my straws with me. I have as well instant coffee on the go. And I'm a boy mom.
My car, oo.
Yes, I have cars. I don't know how it get here. Baka na-shoot ni Kiko when he was playing. I have my pabango. My, this is from my sister naman. So, I don't own
Anong,
anything,
ano
guys. This is Victoria's Secret Velvet Petals. She
Okay.
doesn't like how it smells. That's why sa akin
Nasa
lang
iyo.
siya. Yes.
Okay.
Ganun talaga, guys, nagapagmana tayo. And I have, of course, my reading glass, which I don't use. I only use it for APE.
Okay.
Pag kailangang i-check up, guys. So, yun lang. And of course, powder. So, they always look for powder.
Hoy, bago na yan, sis.
Yes. Yung una naghihingalon, this is a new one. O, diba? Aside from that, I think that's the only one that we have. And, of course, marker and pointer.
Ah,
So,
diba?
yes, I'm a trainer. Meron po
Yes.
tayong marker. And it's working.
It's giving
Diba?
trainer
True.
talaga.
As well as pointer.
Okay.
Even though, lagi ako naka-virtual class, may pointer pa din ako, guys. Tapos, yun lang. I think that's all that I have on my bag. On the sides, of course, trash. Diba? So, bawal tayo magtapon kung saan-saan. And of course, I have my calendar from Elle. I always, diba?
Diba?
I always look at the date kasi nga, hindi na natin alam yung date.
Totoo.
True. So, that's all that I have on my bag, guys.
Alright.
So,
Thank
yun
you,
talaga.
Trainer Shirley.
Yes, you're welcome. Ay, mayroon pa pala.
Ay, ano pa yan? Okay, game.
Last na. I have, trainer nga kasi tayo, guys. I have my BICT pins and USBs, diba? I don't know. This USB has lots of photos. I think I've used it before kasi to save some files. Pero I always bring it along together with the pins.
Okay.
And yun lang, guys. So, wag niyong chichismis yung laman ng bag ko. That's alright.
Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, Elle.
Hey, na. Alright, pag-grade po, please.
Hi.
Oh.
Hi, fans. Charlie. Okay. This is the second time that you're going to raid my bag.
Yeah, I know, right?
Anyway, this is just the issued laptop
Bag.
of
Yeah.
graphics. Anyway, so let's check. This is the pouch that I keep my things for the lappy and all. I have my charger, C-type charger, my mouse, and this is where I keep my headset as well, and the laptop charger. And I have this small pouch.
Okay. What is the pouch?
It's Marc Jacobs.
Oh, diba? Yabang. Okay.
So let's check this. So it has my wallet. Let's check that later. I have my
Jamalong.
no, not really.
I
It's
know,
just
sorry.
a dupe
Okay.
perfume. This is also a perfume, an olive flavored olive.
Daming pabangoses.
Ano lang, para may variation lang.
Kala ko para lapitang kalaga.
Oh, I have my almost out
Wet wipes.
wet wipes, a spare eco bag,
Tissue.
tissue, a napkin.
Naninenok mo pa yan,
Oo,
friend.
sa balur.
Sa bowler.
And you can see, I have my pan.
Okay, wag mo na ilabas.
I won't. I really won't.
Baka mapagbintang ang pillow.
Pillowcase.
Pillowcase.
Okay. So,
Hi, Mike.
we said. Okay. And that's all for my, let's put it back.
Yeah.
For my pouchy pouch. And I also keep my, and ensimada from,
Sure.
this is the yummiest ensamada.
The pressed.
The pressed one. Even if it's pressed, it's still so yummy. I have my go-to pouch that's a little bit dirty now, but it's okay. Brand is Gap.
Okay.
There. I just keep my phone. I also have my comb. I have a lipstick. A small tissue. Some cards and all. A small mirror. What else? I have a tweezer and then a spoolie for my eyebrows. A small eyebrow pencil, and for my contacts, eye drops there.
Can't live without ba yan, mga sis?
Yes, this is the things that I really not really can't live, but you know, I need to have them in my pouch for, you know, for most
Of the
yeah.
time, right.
Okay, so I also keep some change here, or you know, for fare and all. What else do I have here? A spare, I think this is an earring. Oh, earring na. Spare earring and the plastic that came along with it. What else? Oh, I have like for a time for a ponytail. And this is from you.
Yes.
Stickers.
That's your segments.
Yeah, the segments. And
I have my alcohol spray. I have an emergency flashlight.
Taray.
I don't know why I have this marker. Probably my son put it here. What else? Here. I just keep a spare plastic just in case. Tapos yun lang, wala na ata. Ayun, I still have wet wipes here. Keys. Wala naman.
Yung second packet wala naman.
Second packet, there is. Yeah, okay. So, there's some cards.
Dummy
IDs.
cards.
I just don't know, these are just IDs. Hindi ko nga siya na,
Okay.
ano na eh. And, yung half portion ng small mirror ko, here.
Ano yun? Dami.
Oo, madami pa din. I have, oops! Okay, so I have my sunblock. This is a serum for my face.
Tarang.
Oo.
Trainer na talaga.
This one is like
What's
for my under eye.
Okay.
To, medyo cool to the feel to pag nilagay mo.
Hindi ka naman naluluha.
Hindi naman. And then
Ano yan?
this-
Straw din? Like Shirls?
No, these are brushes.
Brushes.
Oo, brushes. Pero hindi naman ako talaga masyado nagme-makeup. I just keep it just in case I need it. Nailagay ko lang na rin yan sa bag ko if I'm not mistaken.
Diba?
Here, what do you call this? The
Eyelash curlers.
Na wala naman ako kina-curl for the moment kasi ano yung
Tinanggal mo.
Oo, tinanggal. Hindi, tsaka maliit yung pilik mata ko.
Mm.
So ito, mga ano lang naman to. These are just some of the makeup that I have. This is a BYS blush and bronze. Ito yung same O2O din to same color as the lipstick that I have here.
Okay.
What else? Wala naman na masyado.
Pearl lippies.
Oo, puro lipis. Hindi ko nga lang nadala yung binigay mo sa akin. Nasa
Cherry lang.
Ito, I think it's just...
Taray, may pag-gloss.
Oo, pero hindi ko naman yan ginagamit. What do you call this? The
Sponge.
sponge. A couple of
Eyeliners.
Yeah, there's a chapstick. A comb also. Ano ba to? I have a sharpener for the eyebrow.
Yeah.
And this one. And
Nail cutter.
Ayan, so ito mga spare lang naman to.
Tarang.
That's all. Ito pala, this one, parang mga basura-basura ko din na mahilig ako sa mga papel-papel kasi sometimes hindi ko siya na-clear out kaagad.
Okay.
Although this would be like for my kid, for his booklet. Hindi pa kasi siya na-convert into a booklet. Yeah, grocery list and all. Yun lang. But it's a Quantrix
Yeah, I have that too.
Keme. My wallet.
Why not that the numbers cover them?
Oh, yeah, sure. So, I have a lot of IDs here that, I just need. This is for my son. And then, yeah. Even my partner's driver's license is with me.
Tago yan.
Oo, yan.
Para hindi
Oo,
makaalis.
yan. Hindi naman. He has the big one. The big
okay.
one.
Oo.
He keeps it in his motorcycle.
Okay. Membership cards pala.
Wala eh. Hindi ako nag-grocery sa mga pangmayama. Kung mahirap lang tayo, friend. Sure. Tapos ito, we have our, the
Video cards.
and then some cards. I have a lot of cards, but I don't really use it that
Okay.
much.
Alright.
That's all.
Wala na. Walang
Wala
cash
na,
dyan.
Walang cash kasi I don't have money
Ah.
na. I don't have cash na.
Okay.
Yung cash ko parang pamasahe lang.
Alright.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Franny.